Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another utility coins video. Guys, this is group 4 of our discussions. In this group, we discuss LCX, Allianceblock's Nxra, Coreum, Sologenic, and IOTA, guys. So it's going to be an interesting video. We're going to be looking at the latest discussions and updates on these coins. So make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end. It's going to be an interesting one. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. We discuss these as well as other potential gems as well. So subscribe for regular videos. Now, folks, let us begin with our first coin, LCX. Let us see what LCX has been up to. Let us look at the official X handle of LCX to see if we can get any new discussions or updates surrounding LCX. So yeah, basically LCX is the next generation crypto exchange. It is regulated, trusted. It is based on in Liechtenstein. So basically, it is also working on tokenization. So yeah, this is 21 minutes ago, guys. Ever wondered about the security backbone of your crypto wallet? Let's dive into the world of seed phrases, the 12 or 24 random words. Okay, so you guys already know about what a seed phrase is. So if you guys do not know, check this out. What is a seed phrase? It mostly concerns DeFi and DeFi wallets, guys. And do not give your seed phrase to anyone, by the way. Never. This is a total red flag if anyone asks for your seed phrase, guys. So this is the explanation of seed phrase. This is for crypto beginners. If you're interested, check this out. So speaking of tokenization, guys, Diamonds is tokenizing real world diamonds, guys, and LCX is basically a guarantor. And there are going to be physical diamonds in the vault, and you guys can swap real world diamonds in exchange for the digital ones that you own on the blockchain and the LCX exchange or the LCX platform. Basically, diamonds is tokenizing it. So investing in diamonds offers distinct advantages. Their rarity, global desirability, and resistance to economic volatility make them a wise choice for wealth preservation. So basically, you have real world diamonds. Basically, you're investing in diamonds. So if we put it simply, benefits of investing in diamonds: an investment class with protection against inflation. Obviously, it is a it is scarce in nature, easy storage, strongly durable, unmatched rarity, global concertability, long-term investment. So yeah, you guys can get real world diamonds in digital form in a nutshell, guys. So this is LCX tokenized bonds. So tokenized bonds are based on security prospectuses that have been endorsed by the Financial Market Authority, FMA Liechtenstein. As you guys know, LCX is compliant and it is working with regulatory bodies in Liechtenstein, which has stringent blockchain laws and passported across the European Economic Area EEA, available in 30 European countries, guys. So this is LCX earned 7% PA return. Explore the universe of tokenized investments. Invest in LCX earn now and get fixed 7% PA return. Uncover vulnerabilities, strengthen defenses, blockchain security audits pave the way for airtight protection against cyber threats, ensuring the integrity and resilience of digital ecosystems. So, guys, let us see what the LCX community is saying, because the LCX community also has some good insights on what's going on. Mr. White, Walter White, the LCX Prince, he shares tremendous news, guys. Follow him for LCX news. Someone knows something. Over 800K LCX buy orders. By the way, the sexy and sleek looking app is LCX. The app has developed well in the recent months. He constantly has updates on the LCX app and LCX exchange, guys. Do follow him. In case you didn't notice, this is bullish price action on LCX, and I expect much higher prices soon. Pick a time frame, any time frame, it is bullish, guys. So basically, LCX has been undervalued for a while now. It has been consolidating for months or weeks, guys. So yeah, check this out. It was consolidating over here, 2023. It went up, came back down. So yeah, after the highs of 2022. check this out. It is basically in this range, guys. Yeah, so I think it is undervalued at the moment. You guys can check it out, and no financial advice, obviously. So can we get any other news? Yeah, you can use BTC Lightning on LCX exchange. Let us look at what LCX Prince has to say. So LCX is one of the most undervalued projects out there, even if it is not perfect yet. So I like this, guys. This is true in my opinion as well. So guys, this was the update on LCX. Now let us look at what Allianceblock Nxra has been up to. Let us look at the new discussions and updates via their own official handle. Building the infrastructure of a decentralized tokenized market, guys. For those of you who are new to Nxra, it is basically connecting centralized markets, centralized finance with decentralized finance. It is creating a DeFi ecosystem, a compliant DeFi ecosystem where real world assets are going to be traded via their Nxra exchange. And their Nxra ID also provides a minimal KYC with anonymity. Basically, it is a win-win situation for both the DeFi and the centralized space, as it is bridging both. So yeah, this is 19 hours ago. As more liquidity flows into the industry and the yield of tokenized RWAs become clearer, tokenized assets will experience exponential growth. Cointelegraph highlighted Matthijs de Vries thoughts on the growing of on the growing tokenization of RWAs. So this is cointelegraph.com. Let us check this out. Let us just skim through it. This has been posted on October 16, 2023 by Shiraz Jagati. Token adoption grows as real-world assets move on-chain. From real estate and digital art to government bonds, tokenizing real-world assets is no longer a thing of the future. So yeah, so basically, guys, we were always hearing about tokenization, real-world assets, but it is not a thing of the future now, because these platforms like LCX and Nxra, the upcoming coins that we're going to be discussing, Coreum, Sologenic, as well as Relio Network. I've made a video on Relio Network a few hours ago. You guys can check that out. These are the platforms that are making this a reality instead of this being a thing of the future, guys. So yeah, check this out. RWA market cap and share change. You guys can look at this article in detail if you're interested. Why the sudden spike in interest? Investors have started to realize that if you can't easily explain where the yield comes from, it's probably going to collapse at some point. With tokenized real-world assets, the source of the yield can be easily explained to crypto natives and new participants. So real estate is one area in which tokenization has had a significant impact. As things stand, it is the largest asset class in the world with an estimated $613 trillion value in 2023. And imagine if we only get a fraction of this value into these cryptos, guys. It is going to be huge and tremendous, in my opinion. By the way, I've always said that real estate is also going to be the toughest to crack in terms of tokenization, but it is going to be giving the highest amount of uh, returns as well if any platform can successfully implement it. Between Q1 and Q3 2023, the value of on-chain real estate grew by 102%, or approximately $90 million. Real estate RWA market cap by issuer. But we have to keep in mind that this is an experimental initiative at this point of time, because the real money, the real institutional money, is yet to come. To be very honest, beyond property investments, tokenized U.S. Treasuries, UBS's and JP Morgan's tokenization ventures. So institutional investors and banking behemoths, UBS and JP Morgan, also are making significant strides in asset tokenization. More noteworthy developments surrounding the space: Entangled Finance, a marketplace for tokenized RWAs, recently launched on the VELO network after receiving a $13.5 million venture capital injection. So basically, the RWA narrative is gaining steam. It gained steam with the BlackRock statement. Now, in my opinion, the real hype is yet to come regarding RWA, and it is going to be the next era, and the tokenized coins that we discuss, like Coreum or Sologenic. Radio Network. These are going to be in the forefront, guys. So do check it out. Do keep in touch with these coins, as they are going to be uh, benefiting from this narrative, guys. So this was the discussion on Allianceblock Nxra, guys. We've already checked this out in our last video. So, guys, now let us move on towards our third coin of this group, which is Sologenic, guys. Sologenic initially was a solo program, but it is further collaborating with Coreum as a layer one to enhance its applications regarding tokenization of shares of stocks, guys. So, Sologenic on fire. Let us look at the latest news on Sologenic. Where's the official Twitter X handle of Solo? Let us first and foremost look at that. Yeah, this is it, real Sologenic. Let us check if we can get any update. Disrupting the asset trading industry. The Sologenic is disrupting the asset trading industry, tokenized securities, crypto assets, and NFTs. Guys, this is tapping into trillions. This is not a joke. To be very honest, this is real money. This is real and this is a real opportunity in the crypto space, in my opinion. These coins are tapping into something huge. Sologenic is attending this year's Ripple Swell. This is the old news. We've already discussed it. November 7th. Whenever we cannot get a new news in the official handles, real estate tokenizing RWAs with Sologenic, you guys can check this article as well, the future of real estate. We turn to the communities, guys. Whenever we cannot get any news from the official X handle, we look for discussions in the community, guys. So let us now check out what latest news or what's being said about Solo in X by the community. Let us look for a good article. So this is Coreum. Coreum needs to break resistance to continue this pattern, otherwise it's back down to support. So this is the technical analysis of Coreum. Yeah, check this out. Yeah, this is the support, guys. This is the resistance. So basically, if it is broken, it's going to be heading out towards this range over here, this area over here, guys. So yeah, these are the support lines. If it is not broken, then it might come back to the support lines according to Olo Kruge. So yeah, let us check out any news on Solo. Solo. This is Korea. Where is Sologenic? Sologenic. Let us look for any good post. Coreum Solo. Solo is set and ready for a run up. Sologenic Solo has all of these attributes and Coreum too. Which attributes are you talking about, brother? Let us see. So yeah, I didn't make any significant change to my portfolio in the past few months. I was in chill and wait mode. However, after observing the recent market developments, I believe it's time for me to play this game more aggressively. I'm making some adjustments to my portfolio to better position myself and capitalize on the imminent parabolic move up. Requirements: market cap must be under $100, solid team, unique use cases, decent tokenomics, didn't do a 10x in the past few weeks, strong narrative. So, guys, I think, yeah, this is true. Sologenic has all of these attributes, and Koream as well. So, Daryl is right. These are the attributes you're looking for, brother. The Solo has them, and it is undervalued at the moment. Always looking for the most undervalued to give the greatest returns. So out of them, we've discussed XRP, XDC, WTK, Solo, GBEX, XSP in this channel, guys. So we've potential undervalued gems we've discussed on in this channel. You guys can check out the videos of these coins as well, and do give a subscribe while you're at it. Solo is set and ready for a run up. XRP, Solo, Koreum. So yeah, I think Solo should be giving much more updates to the community via their official X handle, guys. But while we're at it, let us Look at the top post. We might get a good thread or a good post over here. Yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, Real Sologenic is going to be the first live tokenizing platform in the world. This is just amazing. Let us check this out.
Other side, in terms of launching that, and we are in touch with a few big players, just try to get them adopt the technology. From the other side, in terms of launching, our own tokenization platform, we are in the process of acquiring a broker dealer firm. We are looking, basically right now we are at the due diligence step. So once, if that's if our legal team, they're happy with the due diligence result, then probably we are going to acquire that company, and we are going to launch the very first tokenized stocks and ETA platform in the world.
So the very first stocks and ETF platform in the world. So this is huge. Tokenization of stocks is going to be tremendous. It is going to be huge. So in my opinion, Solo is taking the right steps, guys. TikTok, time is ticking and the arc is leaving. I've bought a small amount of XPR and loan. I've discussed XPR as well. Loan tokens from WebAuth, smooth interface, and my personal take on the XPR network ecosystem. It's gonna go bananas. So he along with this, he's also big on Sologenic Moon Commander. Guys, let us now check out what Coreum has been up to because Solo and Coreum go hand in hand. Let us look at the latest news on Coreum. So, in awe of how Jesus would embrace the potential of a BSA. Okay, so no, this is not Coreum. XRP Solo, Coreum, ETH, Ethereum, and Coreum. Coreape. Coreape's Club is a tokenized stake on Drip Labs validator on Coreum Official and pays out monthly drip in Coreum. So to say that every NFT project has no utility would be false. So basically, an NFT project with a use case, this is cool, and it is working with Coreum. So this is great. Check it out. Yeah, Apes Club. Do check it out, guys. So Cosmos, okay. Go show. How adorable. After 10 years, there's no DEX, a subpar wallet that requires a reserve. You never get back. Paid KYC and paid partnerships not listed on any of their websites. Okay, doesn't concern Coreum, so we're going to move ahead. What's going on with Coreum? 24 hours volume. It's at one moment 1.3 million, then it drops to 334,000, then back to 1.2 million. So could they be testing a dApp on the Coreum mainnet? Might be so, because this is the initial stage of Coreum. So basically, the volatility you can expect volatility to a certain extent as well, brother. We know Real Sologenic jumped. We ain't bothered because they shared their Solo and Coreum voluntarily to three crypto communities. They are building, making heavyweight partnerships and connections. Daniel underscore WWF and Expect DS and Glutons come Snake that swallowed all their allotted XAH. So we share all sort of news, guys, on be it good news or bad news or neutral news. Do you realize crypto community all started talking about Sol and Quorum, even those because you used to create FUD, feel good. So basically, the haters are also basically talking about Sol and Quorum, according to El Turco, November 14th. Let us look at the official handle of Quorum as well to see if they have any updates. Blockchain infrastructure architecture to meet critical scalability, security, and interoperability needs to power enterprise solution on chain. So this is November 14th. Calling our developers, join us this Wednesday at 12 p.m. EST for an exclusive test tube workshop led by Kane, a Coreum engineer. In the test tube workshop, what will happen? Kane will cover testing COSM, WASM, smart contracts using Rust without the need to write Go code or learn Go, testing against the actual Coreum chain's logic, step-by-step instructions on how to use it. We look forward to your participation. So this is good. And we've discussed these news in our last Coreum video. So yeah, let us now move on ahead to our last coin, guys, which is ISO 20022 integrated IOTA, guys. It is working. It is huge on tokenization. Sorry, of Internet of Things, and it is also uh, working on tokenization as well. An open source, scalable, fee-less, green, and permissionless distributed ledger. IOTA Foundations. So yeah, for those of you with a paid OpenAI ChatGPT account, you can now access a custom IOTA database, get tailored answers to your questions on IOTA 2.0. So let us look for the new discussions on what IOTA has been up to. So this is 16 hours ago, guys. Ever wondered why IOTA 2.0 utilizes a DAG structure to achieve digital autonomy for everyone? Here's why. So let us hear this.
Well, there's a couple reasons why. I think the easiest to grasp is this idea of being able to access the technology without using a service provider, right? That users, because normally in blockchains, right, you create your own transactions and then you have to send them off to some miner validator, something like that, who then produces the block, and you have to give them some sort of fee. But in IOTA 2.0, you can make the blocks yourself, right? And that's only possible to do if you have a DAG structure, right? Because you need a DAG structure if multiple people are going to be creating blocks themselves, right? If Andrea is going to create a block and Darcy is going to create a block, they might be creating blocks at the same time. And so they both have to be added in there. And to accommodate that, you then need a DAG structure.
So basically,
well, there's a couple reasons why.
So basically, the efficiency of a DAG structure, and because so many people are going to be using it in the Internet of Things, the devices, and people are going to be using this ecosystem, they require a DAG structure to try and appease everyone, basically. Like, it's going to make it much more efficient, smooth, and seamless. So this is why, guys, they've chosen a DAG structure to achieve digital autonomy for everyone, guys. They've got a YouTube video as well on for to answer the questions, and you guys can check that out as well if you're interested. Get answers to more questions about the protocol upgrade of IOTA 2.0. New podcast out. This is 20 hours ago. The latest INATBA_org podcast episode from the series on refi and financial inclusion is out. Discover how Yenna Tech revolutionizes agriculture while empowering local farmers. Guys, one more thing, agriculture revolution. You've heard about the agriculture revolution. This is agriculture revolution 2.0 with blockchain and these digital platforms being involved, guys. It is the agriculture sector is also trying to see how they can benefit from these new technologies, the new techs. So this is good that IOTA is concerned with all of these new sectors, guys, because Internet of Things is going to be a huge narrative coming in the coming times, in my opinion. Still, the IoT narrative hasn't yet come, but it is sure to come, to be very fair, honest and fair. Love the new design of the IOTA Shimmer wallet. Amazing work. So this is the new design, guys. It looks slick. Check this out. Shimmer EVM main account. This looks so clean, guys. Check it out. Let us open it. I really like it. It is a clean look. Bloom early access is here. Available now for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So this is good, guys. Congratulations, IOTA is congratulating on the new design. This is November 13th, guys. IOTA 2.0 is a dynamically available protocol allowing you to find your own balance between caution and optimism. Read on to find out why a hybrid approach makes ensuring finality and availability at the same time possible. So if you're interested in it, check this out. This blog is out on IOTA's main account, blog.iota.org, dynamic availability. This November 13th. Thanks for the feature in your insightful overview of the EU's MICA bill. IOTA aligns with EU regulations, continually seeking to advance the dialogue and promote digital autonomy for all. Grateful for the opportunity to contribute, guys. Tokenizer is working. His work is really. I really appreciate his work. He works hard on all of these enterprise coins. These coins that are going to be truly utilized, guys. So IOTA is one of them, and IOTA has thanked Tokenizer as well for the insights. So you guys can check out that the mic use Mica bill being Mica bill compliant is so huge for IOTA. It's going to be giving it the green signal in EU. So this is huge. It is a scare for 99% of crypto because they are not regulated, but not the coins that we usually discuss, guys. They are regulated. They are compliant. They're taking the right moves. Check this out. Yeah, these are the coins. This is Allianceblock, Nxra, L of Zero, Energy Web Token. This is IOTA. You guys know that we have already discussed most of these coins, guys. This is Algorand. If you're interested in any of them, do follow the channel as well because we regularly discuss them, the regulated coins, and IOTA is taking the right steps, guys. So, guys, at the end of the video, I want to ask you guys: do you think that other coins that are not regulated would they survive or not? This is a question because it is easy to say that okay, 99% of the crypto was going to crash. But what do you think? Would it survive or not? Do hit the comment box below to discuss this and let the crypto growth fam know. What do you think? That would the other crypto coins survive other than the regulated ones, the compliant ones, or not, guys? So this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins, make sure to subscribe as well. And do not forget to hit the bell notification for reminders, obviously. And guys, I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.